Hey, everybody, welcome to today's show. Welcome to Advocate Information Highway. I'm your host, Anthony Lorito-Duke, and we have a very interesting topic for today's show, in which it is the United States Supreme Court just ruled that Trump's immunity case goes back to the lower court. So let's get right into this. Right now, there's a lot of people upset with the U.S. Supreme Court for making this ruling because they feel that uh, there's a lot of Trump's friends on the U.S. Supreme Court, and a lot of people feel that they were just doing this to protect Trump. So, um, you know, this is one of the reasons why, for so long, ladies and gentlemen, for so long, I have stipulated many, 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 many times that the President of the United States and the United States Senate need to pack the U.S. Supreme Court with Democrats. And they should have already done this. They should have already done this a long time ago, but they did not. And that's one of the reasons why we're at where we're at right now. And that's why I strongly hope that on this November, at election time, I hope that we keep a Democrat in office as President of the United States. And I also hope that uh, we keep the United States Senate democratically controlled. And if that happens, then come like maybe the end of this year or the beginning of next year, then we can keep our democracy. And then hopefully, hopefully at that time, the President of the United States and the United States Senate will pack the United States Supreme Court with Democratic justices. So, um, I mean, this is just a real shame of what they did. And now, this also brings me to another point that whatever, whatever judge is overseeing uh, the Trump immunity case in the lower court, that judge needs to throw the book at Trump. Because I was just saying on my show, Equality and Rights for All on Spreaker.com, that the President of the United States only has immunity with certain things. And I'll give you an example. Like if the President of the United States orders the military to go and and kill, like, a president of another country, let's say, as an example, then the president of the United States has immunity towards something like that. But the president of the United States does not have any immunity on, like the attack that happened on the United States Capitol. You know, and Trump is going on saying he has 100% immunity on everything and above and whatever. And that's not the truth, ladies and gentlemen. So the judge that hears the uh, immunity case against Trump, uh, that judge just needs to throw the book at Trump. Seriously. That's what needs to happen. And so so that people can believe in the justice system again. So, but anyways, like I said, like come this November, no matter what Democratic candidate is on the ticket running for president of the United States, people have to put their differences aside and say anybody but Trump, anybody but Trump. But there's a lot of people that are saying, if Biden don't step aside, I'm just not going to vote. Listen, a no vote for whichever Democrat is on the ticket running for president of the United States this coming November, whichever Democrat is on that ticket, you just got to vote for them because it's anybody but Trump. Because a no vote for whichever Democrat is on the ticket, a no vote for them is in turn a vote for Trump. And we can't have that. We cannot have Trump back in office. We cannot afford that. Our democracy cannot afford that, ladies and gentlemen. So no, if Biden is on the ticket, then no matter what people feel about Biden, no matter what Democrats feel about Biden, you got to just vote for him if he's on the ticket. If there's a different Democrat on the ticket, then you got to vote for that Democrat because it's anybody but Trump, anybody but Trump. Because a no vote for whichever Democrat is on the ticket is in turn a vote for Trump. And we cannot afford that as a country. Our democracy is on the line. So I hope that people that get the vote out this coming November seriously, because we cannot afford to have Trump back in office. And Trump is now running scared. He is running very scared. Even though he may not admit to it, but he is running very scared. Okay? And that's why he is desperately seeking to get back in office because he fears going to prison. He fears the judge's ruling to go against him. So we got to show him, we got to show Trump that he is not above the law. He's not above the law. Now, with that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind all my fans out there about my website, Advocate Information Highway. And the link to there is AIHNY.com. Again, that is AIHNY.com. You guys could check out all the pages on there. And when you go to my website, you will see uh, the section on there for the store page of my website. If you click on the store page of my website, you will see links on there. Okay, on the store page of my website, you'll see links on there, and one of the links is to my internet store on Zazzle.com. And if you click on that, it'll bring you right to my internet store on Zazzle.com. And on there, you will see on my internet store on Zazzle.com, you will see a lot of products that I design and that are up for sale on there. And so with that, ladies and gentlemen, take care. Bye.